Hey there, how are you? Today, we'll explore 5 essential techniques that will elevate your drawings. First, hatching. Using parallel lines to create texture and depth. Simple yet powerful, hatching brings form to your sketches. Next, cross-hatching. Adding a second layer of intersecting lines for complex shading and tonal variety. It's like weaving light and shadow. Stippling, placing countless tiny dots to achieve smooth gradients. Patience and precision create detailed, textured art. Scumbling, using small, scribbled marks to build texture and value. It adds movement and energy to your sketches. Lastly, smudging, softening edges and blending tones for a polished look. It gives your sketches a soft, ethereal quality. Master these techniques, hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, scumbling, and smudging, and unlock endless creative possibilities. Grab your pencils and start experimenting. Happy sketching!